But right back to technical recommendations on Traders 20, Sameet Chavan is standing by with us. And Sameet, topics for the day.
Good morning. We have first buy call on Tata Steel with a stop loss of 240 and target 270. The stock has seen a massive price erosion over the past few months, but now we are observing a strong support around 240, 242, which is the 127% price extension of the previous down move. Yesterday's daily candle can be termed as a bullish hammer. Hence, looking at these evidences, we expect a near-term bounce in Tata Steel toward 270. The second stock that we like is KTK Bank. It can be bought for a target of 147 and stop loss can be kept at 129. Recently the stock gave a decent correction from its higher levels of 150 to 155, but the medium to longer term trend remains bullish and we expect the stock to find a strong support around 130 to 135. Going forward, the stock can climb towards 147 target and stop loss can be kept at 129. And our final recommendation would be to short BHL with a stop loss of 291 and we are expecting a target of 270. This is purely a contra bet against its higher degree uptrend. We are observing a strong resistance around 290, 292. Recently this stock gave a decent correction from 290 towards 270, 272. However, in last 2 days we witnessed a decent bounce back towards 282, 283. We expect 283 to 285 to act as a strong resistance and we expect immediate correction toward 270 in BHL.
Okay, that's the call coming in. Sameet advising some of those picks. We've also got Chandan Taparia here with some perspective. And Chandan, run us through your recommendations for the day. 2 buys and a solitary sell.
Yes, good morning. First trade is buy on Arvind. The stock has been making higher tops, higher bottom formation and up by around 10% with built up of long position by more than 50% in this series. We are also witnessing long rollover that is more than 40%. So overall trend is positive. We are expecting this momentum to continue for next coming trading session. So recommending to buy with stop loss of 290 for the upside target of 313. Second trade is from IT Pick. Today we are observing some support-based buying in most of the IT counter. Here I am selecting Infosys. The stock has done well post the result as it crossed the immediate hurdle of 1030, 1054 zone. So now some short covering may be seen towards the expiry. We are expecting it to move towards 1135. Overall trend is positive. So recommending to buy with a stop loss of 1054 for the upside target of 1135. Third trading idea is sell on Canara Bank. We are witnessing some selling pressure in PSU banks. Canara Bank is falling down from last 6 series and adding built up of short position. From last 5 trading session, it has been making lower lows, lower highs formation and also liquidating the long position. So trend may remain weak and suggesting to sell on any bounce back move with a stop loss of 264 and expecting a downside target towards 250.
Okay, that's the call coming in from Chandan in terms of top recommendations. Let's shift gears then away from equities, address what's going on in the commodity space as well. Gold prices, well, they're clearly in focus, weighing down on account of the dollar strength. And of course, all eyes will be on what is advised and what really comes out of the US Fed, expecting a fairly cautious, hawkish Fed stance. And that clearly is going to weigh down on gold prices. And US crude prices, well, they snapped their 5-day decline and on account of the US equity is gaining, and of course the global oversupply that we're seeing there is likely to continue to last. And let's just focus in then on some strategies in the commodity space. Bharat Kumar, Director GFM, joins in on the show. Bharat, great to have you with us. What's the strategy on gold?
The USD INR impact is helping the domestic gold prices, but nevertheless, I think unless it closes beyond 25,260 ranges in case of August series, we may not see further appreciation in gold prices. So I think even in case of M6, one can go for short selling at somewhere around 25,100, which stops beyond 25,260 ranges, expecting around 24,750 ranges on the lower side in case of August series.
What's your outlook on crude, where there's a new reality of lower prices?
In case of energies, especially crude of late, we have seen deep selling from $60 to an extent of around $40, but the price seems to be stabilizing at the current ranges. So in case of crude, we may see stability in the prices at the current ranges. Even in case of MCX, I think one can go for buying at somewhere around 30.48, which stops below 3,000 ranges, expecting around 31.48 to 31.60 on the higher side.
Bharat, thanks very much for joining in and sharing with us those top commodity strategies. Here's an important disclaimer. If you'll be taking any advice, you must consult your financial advisor. Thanks as well to all of our 6 equity trading guests for being with us. A quick break on the other side. It's BNSN, the stock game to stay tuned.